Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Do you own this house?
Yeah.
Do you mind giving me a tour?
No, sure. When you come in here, you'll see that I have a concrete wall that is 14 feet, and then I have a customer that made those panels for me. There's a bathroom here in the lower level. Lake Michigan is a 4-minute walk from here, so to go to the beach and then come home and do that easily. This is the garage here, and it's a mess right now because I'm in the process of just finishing up the build here, but it's a huge garage, but they can never be big enough. When you go up the stairs here, these stairs are made out of bowling lane maple, and then when you come up here, this is the main living space. I've kept it very industrial, so all the corrugated is still exposed from the shipping container. This is the kitchen here, and the kitchen I've made this bowling lane island, and then this is the guest bathroom. Guest bedroom is here. This is the master bedroom, and then the bed will go right here. Master closet, stackable washer and dryer. I have a walk-in shower, no glass. I don't want to have to clean any glass. And then the dual sink, make it nice. This part of the house is, in my opinion, the best part of this entire house. This is the upper level. Basically what you're looking at is a 32 by 45 foot deck, and I have a beautiful garden here that the deer can't get to. It's my happy place for sure.